Hey everybody, it's Love, Peace, and Happiness, the Hair Guru. I hope that you all are doing well. If you are new to my channel, I will need you to like and subscribe and become part of the family. So this is the Hope Monotop Lace Front Hair Topper that Uniwigs sent me. And this is just the inside of the cap, what the cap looks like. And I'm just going to go over some brief details of it. All the details will be listed in the description box below, so be sure to look on that. And also there's a coupon code down there for you guys. If you use LPH, you will get a discount on this particular hair topper. I will leave everything down below on where to get it. This is the color that I got, which is the 16R chocolate caramel, and it is 16 inches in length, 130 density, 8.5 by 9 is the dimension on the top as far as the coverage goes for the hair topper, the dome part on the top. And yeah, so that's basically it. It has lace in the front, which I will show you how to cut off. And it is a beautiful topper. I'm not paid to say that by any means. They sent it to me for an honest review, which I'm doing. And it's a great company. I did order from them a couple times in the past and had great customer service and had no issues whatsoever. And I got a nice piece each time I ordered. So let that be known. And without further ado, let's get right on into it. And here we are, just taking off the lace that is on the lace front on this synthetic monotop lace front hair topper, the Hope hair topper that Uniwigs was so kind enough to send to me to review. I would only give my honest review. And look at how nice that lace just melds right in with your own hair. That's for any skin type, any tone that you have. I usually will start in the middle. I do it both ways. I do it on and off my head. It all depends on what kind of lace it has. But this was so easy to do, and I just kind of don't cut in a straight line, and less is more. Start out not so close. That way, if you do prefer to use a little bonding agent to hold it a little bit better, you can do so, and you're not stuck with something that is right up against that hairline. So I have my own hair, so I like to leave a little bit of my own hair out. And that's just me just cutting it in some sections. See how easy that was? So you would like to get a more pronounced part area here because it's more of a transparent lace. I'm going to show you how to do it. So you just take a little bit of foundation that is your color. I'm just going to use a basic makeup brush. I figured I'd use something with a smaller edge there. So what I want to do is just kind of make sure that it's all over the brush. It doesn't have to be a whole lot, but enough that you can see it on the lace. Flip it over on the inside. And wherever you would like to see your part, or you can do it all over the whole entire thing. I'm going to turn this way. So I'm going to be going like this, because you want that visible. It should come off when you wash it, but again, you don't really want to wash this a whole lot of synthetic. And then I'm going to do right around the hairline because I want this to blend in with my makeup that I do. So just going to go over actually the whole entire thing, because that way, whichever way you decide to part this is going to be fine. This is almost like bleaching the knots on a human hair, that you see this, you know, the little dots there. This will actually blend it a little bit better.